Hey, you need to come see me DJ, I am a world famous DJ, wow. Where do you DJ? I only DJ in town, but I am a world famous DJ though. So why would you fucking call yourself a fucking world famous DJ if you only fucking DJ in town? Because I want people to think I am world famous and it helps me get booked, but that doesn't make any fucking sense. You shouldn't say shit like that if you're as if just a fucking local DJ. I hate when you fucking whack-ass DJs try to claim to be world famous or a celebrity DJ even when you're not even fucking close to being that. I would battle you. But I don't have any skills on the turntables and I don't want you to make me look like shit because clubs might book you instead of me. Please just leave me the fuck alone, you make me sick to my fucking stomach. But if you ever want to throw down, I am always ready for a fucking battle. Sorry, that will never happen. I want people to always think that I am a great DJ, even though I fucking suck big fucking balls.